For this install, the intake duct and airbox will need to be removed. First, unclip the cold air feed duct and lift the airbox from its mountings. Remove the jubilee clip holding the intake pipework at the back of the engine. Unplug the breather valve and unclip its wiring loom. Unplug the MAF sensor by pulling back its locking tab, then pressing down on its releasing clip. Remove the jubilee clip holding the intake pipework together. The intake pipework and airbox can now be removed. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. And the boost sensor. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Disconnect the factory boost connector by pressing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Replace all removed components. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.